It's news time. Information is power. Be current. The news headline: Chinese President Xi Jinping fires letter to Buhari. The Chinese President Xi Jinping has fired a letter to President Muhammadu Buhari, the Nigerian president, over diplomatic relations with Nigeria. He said that China would use the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations with Nigeria to promote strategic partnership to new heights. Nigeria is an important strategic partner of China in Africa. China-Nigeria cooperation has been the pacesetter of China-Africa cooperation. President Xi wrote in a letter to the Nigerian leader. He appreciated Buhari's congratulatory letter on the 72nd birth anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China, which came up on October 1st. The Chinese leader said he attached great importance to the development of China-Nigeria relations and therefore assured President Muhammadu Buhari that his country would spare no effort in strengthening existing relations. And these were the words of President Xi Jinping, who appreciated the diplomatic relationship with Nigeria. And this is in line with the president of Turkey, who recently signed some bilateral agreements with Nigeria's President Muhammadu Buhari. This on Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan for opening his country borders to accommodate millions of refugees in dire need of humanitarian support. Speaking at a joint press conference on the occasion of the official visit of Turkish leader to Nigeria, President Muhammadu Buhari said his Turkish counterpart has set an example to the rest of the world on how to treat refugees. I commend Your Excellency for leadership and generosity in receiving and accommodating 4 million refugees fleeing from conflict areas, particularly in Iraq, Syria, and Afghanistan. You have indeed set an example to the rest of the world, the Nigerian leader said. President Muhammadu Buhari described the 2 days visit of President Erdogan and the First Lady Emine Erdogan as a reflection of the robust, warm, and cordial bilateral relation between Nigeria and Turkey. He noted that it was the second time he has had the pleasure of receiving many brothers in Abuja. On the accomplishments from the visit, President Muhammadu Buhari said, during the visit, we held very useful discussions on a number of bilateral issues aimed at discussing germane matters and strengthening the cordial relationship between Nigeria and Turkey. The key issues we touched on included a series of bilateral agreements and memoranda of understanding that had been finalized. As a positive outcome, either major agreements, MOUs on a number of the key sectors including energy, defense industry, mining, and hydrocarbons, among others, were signed today. We have agreed that implementation is to commence immediately. In the course of our discussions, we also reviewed the travel ban list based on the revised COVID-19 protocols and removed Turkey from Nigeria's travel ban list. Turkey has indeed achieved remarkable success in addressing the COVID-19 pandemic. President Muhammadu Buhari said President Erdogan's meeting with a joint session of the Nigeria and Turkish Chambers of Commerce and Industry before departing Nigeria would actually be an opportunity to engage and exchange views on more productive ways of pushing ahead the socio-economic ties between the two countries. He thanked the Turkish President and First Lady for commissioning the Turkish Cultural Center in Abuja, as well as opening the newly renovated government secondary school in Wuse, Abuja, undertaken by the Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency, TİKA. In his remarks, President Erdogan stressed that Turkey was determined to improve relations with Nigeria to higher levels on the fields, where President Muhammadu Buhari had actually hosted the President Recep Tayyip Erdogan of the Republic of Turkey in a 2-day official visit to Nigeria. President Erdogan also said that the trade volume between both countries reached $2 billion in 2020, making Nigeria the outstanding and biggest trading partner in sub-Saharan Africa. However, we still believe that this level of trade we have achieved is far from being adequate. We hope and pray that we will be expanding our trade volume up to $5 billion immediately. We hope that the relations between the two nations will be further developed on the basis of a win-win scenario and mutual respect. The president, who spoke through an interpreter, said, commiserating with Nigeria on the attack in Goronyo, local government area of Sokoto State, which claimed several lives, the Turkish leader pledged that its country would further cooperate with Nigeria on counter-terrorism as well as in fields of military defense and security. We are ready to share our over-expanding capabilities with Nigeria, especially in the field of defense industry and security, which has been praised by the entire globe. This sensitivity that we have showcased in fighting terrorism, I hope, will be reciprocated by our Nigerian brothers and sisters and counterparts, he said. The Turkish president announced that his country has increased its diplomatic presence in Africa to 43 missions, adding that the third round of the Turkish African Business Forum will be held in Istanbul this October, while the third Turkish African Partnership Summit will follow in December. President Erdogan expressed delight that many Nigerian students are currently studying in Turkey and benefiting from scholarship as well. And this is President Recep Tayyip of Turkey, after the President Muhammadu Buhari of our own country had actually signed some bilateral agreement with them, and the President was actually commending President Muhammadu Buhari for his generosity and also receiving him and also accommodating 4 million refugees that fled from Iraq, Syria, and Afghanistan, saying that he has set an example to the rest of the world, where the President described the 2 days visit as a time to reflect and on robust, warm, and cordial bilateral relations between Turkey and Nigeria, where he noted that in terms of MOUs, defense industry, because the 8 major keys that I actually discussed about was rallying about energy, defense industry, mining, hydrocarbons, among others, and they signed signed them, in the bid to ensure that there is further cordial relationship between the two countries. In the course of their discussions, the President Muhammadu Buhari also stated that they had removed Turkey from Nigeria's ban list, saying that Turkey has actually achieved a remarkable success in addressing COVID-19 pandemic. Thanks for listening.